Welcome TrafficManager partners. Today, we will walk you through how to add multiple casino brands to your platform. We'll guide you step by step through the two distinct methods to achieve this. Option 1. Adding brands via internal tags. This method is ideal for internal tracking and management of the own brands. To add a new brand name as an internal tag, you will need to access the Manage Offers drop-down menu and create a new offer campaign. Now, click the button labeled to create a new casino brand tag. Click Add New. Add the new brand name. Then, click here to save. As you can see, your new brand name has been added to the list. From now on, you will be able to use it to tag other campaigns as well. Now, feel free to click the Close button and proceed with the offer creation. From the Casino Operator drop-down menu, select the new brand name you created. Fill all the other fields requested and create the new offer campaign. Don't forget to add all the essential offer details including the title, payout mode, and all the other required fields. To view the newly added brand offers campaign statistics, click on Dashboard. Then, click on the Casino Brand tab. Once you receive a few clicks on the newly created offer, the brand will appear in this list. Click on the brand tag name to see more details. If you need to integrate the new brand with your platform, access the postback page and follow the instructions. Note, if the new brand belongs to the same operator or reports via postback from the same CRM or platform as the other brand already integrated in your platform, a new integration may not be necessary. Please consult with your tech team or your operator to confirm. Option 2. Creating a new casino brand user account. Using this method, a designated brand manager is granted limited access to the platform. Be aware that any actions undertaken by the brand manager using this method will necessitate approval from a platform admin. Follow until the end for more details. To create a new casino brand user account, please access the Users page. Click on Add New to create a new user role. From the drop-down menu, select the Casino Brand User role. Then, fill in all the other requested details and create the account. Congratulations! The new account is set up. You can now share the login credentials with the designated brand manager. They will be able to log into the system, create and manage offers campaigns for this brand, integrate them into the system and see the statistics. But let's get a clearer view by impersonating the newly created user. Click here to impersonate the newly created user. This is the dashboard of the newly created brand manager user. To create a new offer campaign for this brand account, open the Manage Offers drop-down menu, then click on New Offer. Now, fill in all the requested fields as in the previous example. When everything is ready, create the offer. Now, click the Save button if you don't need to upload any creatives into the offer. If you do need to upload creatives, scroll to the end of the page to upload them. Afterwards, click the Save button to finish your offer setup. To integrate the newly created offer with the brand CRM or the brand operator platform, access the postback page and follow the instructions. Note, you might need assistance from either your technical team or the operator's technical team during the integration process. If you run into any problems, don't hesitate to raise a support ticket with the TrafficManager team. Additionally, our server-to-server postback integration guide for beginners is available both in your TrafficManager client account and on our YouTube channel for reference. To check the new brand offers campaign statistics, the brand manager will need to access the Casino Operator Stats page. Click on Exit Impersonation to return to the admin view. Let's then see how the admin will view every new offer campaign created by the new Casino brand user account, also mentioned in our guide as the brand manager. Once you return to the admin view, if you check your marketplace offers, you will notice that the newly created offer is not live yet. To see the newly created offer, the admin will need to access the Pending Offers page. As we can observe, there is one pending offer waiting to be managed. Click on the checkbox to select the offer. To check or modify the offer details or settings, click on the offer title. If no modifications need to be made, click the Approve Selected button to approve the offer. Note that once approved, the offer will be visible in your platform's marketplace. To view the newly approved offer, access your marketplace. The offer is now public. Keep in mind that you can edit this offer at any time from your admin account. If the brand manager makes any changes to this offer, those changes will require approval from an admin before taking effect. To check your casino brand account statistics, this time we will need to visit the casino operator stats from our admin account. Then, select the casino brand tab. And voila! To view more details about this casino brand user account, click on the username you see on this page. As you can observe, the casino brand user account option facilitates better collaboration by allowing specific brand managers to manage their brands directly within the TrafficManager system. It's a harmonious blend of autonomy and control, ensuring management efficiency for our partners' operational processes. Remember, any actions taken by the brand manager in option 2 will require approval from either a platform admin or an affiliate manager user role account with an appropriate access level. For more information about how to create an affiliate manager account, please refer to our guide, How to Create and Manage an Affiliate Manager Account, or check our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our guide. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Wishing you a great day.